So have you arranged for Valentine's Day gifts for your loved ones yet? Well, I'm here to help you with just that. So whenever Valentine's Day is nearby, we all frantically go around finding gifts for our partners or loved ones, and most of the time it's last minute and we have no idea what to get, so we go ahead and get those cheesy, stereotypical gifts which include roses and chocolates and so much more. But hey, I'm not saying it's not a bad kind of gift idea, because I'm sure a lot of you would actually love it, but I'm sort of bored of it, and I thought, you get bored of it after you have it a couple of times. So I'm here to give you some alternative gift ideas which your loved ones will definitely appreciate. These are things that they could probably use or enjoy. Hey guys, this is Nayana here and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, please do consider subscribing, because we're so close to 500 now, and I'm planning to do a giveaway as soon as we cross that threshold. So go ahead and click on that button so that we get there faster. So now let's go ahead and check out these gift ideas, but hey, stay tuned till the end, because that is when I will be telling you my most preferred gift idea, which I've tried for both my friends and for my partner, and both of them loved it. And this is something that I myself would probably want if I could get it. So stay tuned till the end for that. So number one is DIY gift ideas. So what is more personal than something that you make with your own hands to gift to your loved one? I mean, the time that you take to do that itself shows a lot of love for them. So if you want to gift something like that for your loved ones, I have a video on last minute DIY Valentine's Day gift ideas which I had done last year, which I will link for you right above here and also down below in the description box. So these are ideas that you could definitely do in the very last minute, because that is exactly what I did last year. So you could try it out, and if you don't have any time to go ahead and buy something for them, this is perfect for you and you should definitely try this out. So go check it out if you want some inspiration for the gifts. So number two is gift cards. So this is the most easiest kind of gifts that you can give somebody who is picky, and I belong to that category and I actually like picking my own stuff. So I think people like me would definitely appreciate getting a gift card, because if you can't choose something that they might actually really like, it's always safer to go for a gift card, especially if you know a store that they enjoy shopping at or a website that they love checking out, then you probably should get something from there. So gift cards are definitely a great idea for anybody who can't really choose for their loved one. So number three is electronics. So depending upon your budget, you could probably find a lot of useful stuff for all sorts of prices. So this could be something that your loved one has been trying to get for themselves. It could be anything from a Polaroid camera to a power bank to a fitness band or even a Bluetooth speaker. I mean, there are so many things that your loved one would want. This was a headphone that Suraj had got me last year for Valentine's Day, and that was something I really badly needed back then, and something that was very sweet of him to get me, because he thought about it and knew what I needed and considered my necessity and hence got it for me, and that is something which is very much appreciated. So always go and check out what your loved one might be wanting for themselves, because they need it and they would love when you get it for them. So this is definitely a must do. Number four is tickets. So you could get them tickets to a show that they've been wanting to see for a long time, a comedy night, a play, or somewhere that they've always wanted to go. It could even be an amusement park. So something that they've been wanting to visit or see or view for a long time, and this is something that you could do together, because you'll be spending your time with them doing something that they love. So go ahead and book those tickets before it gets booked out. So number five is collectibles. So I know it's not a typical gift idea, but it's something that somebody who has collections would definitely love. It could be something like action figures or comic books or posters or pens or anything. It could be anything that they love collecting. I used to have a stamp collection when I was a kid, but I guess I just grew out of that and don't really have a collection anymore if you don't include my lipstick collection. But yeah, well, I don't know whether that's included as a collection, but hey, that's my collection for now. So if your loved one has some sort of collection, so definitely buy something to add to that collection and they'd really appreciate that. Number 6 is books. So if you've got somebody who loves reading, then I don't think they would appreciate anything as much as they would a book. So if you've got a friend or family or a loved one who you cannot ever see without a book in their hand, then this is definitely the best ever gift for them. And books is something that you can get for various prices. You can get for as low as 50 rupees and as high as thousands of rupees. So definitely something that they would love to get. And if you get something that is something from their favorite author or something you think that they should definitely try out, you should go ahead and get them those. So number 7 is interest related gifts. So your loved one would definitely have a specific interest in something. See, for example, I really love makeup related stuff. I even love tech related stuff. So things that is related to that would definitely be something I love getting. So likewise, your loved one would also be interested in something specific, something like maybe cooking, gardening, or listening to music, or dressing up, or something, or traveling, or something like that. So definitely get something for them that is related to their interest, and they would definitely appreciate it because it shows that you understand them to a different level and know what they would really like to get. So the 8th and final idea, which is a subscription box or bag or just subscription. So this is something I used to get for myself because I used to love it, and this is something that I've tried gifting to both my best friend and my partner, and both of them loved it. This can be an assortment of gifts of a particular type, which could be a beauty bag, a makeup bag, accessory bag, a luxury bag, or so many more. For guys, it could be something like a grooming box or a geek crate or like a techie box, something like that. And this is available at various kind of price ranges because it starts as low as 300 rupees and goes as high as 5,000 or 10,000 or more. And the added advantage to this is that you yourself will have no idea what they're going to be getting, because that mystery element is what adds that wow factor to this idea, and them not having any clue adds to that, and them getting an assortment of gifts, not one, multiple items in a single box will be something that anybody would love, because who does not love opening up their mystery box and seeing so many things in one box? I have loved it, and something I would love getting even more, and this is something that they are going to love you for. Trust me, I love getting these, and I personally know people who loved getting this from me. So this is definitely my highly recommended gift idea. So definitely try it out, and I would definitely have all the links to all these gift ideas that I've given you down in the description box below. Definitely check that out to see which suits your budget so that you can definitely gift those to your loved ones. This is not a sponsored video, but these are stuff that I've either used already or ones that I would love to use. Hope you guys enjoyed these 8 Valentine's Day gift ideas that you could definitely try out. I'm sure one of these gift ideas would be perfect for your loved one too. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel because we're almost reaching 500 now. So help me out so that we can grow our family over here. So thank you again for watching, guys. So I'll see you again next time with another video. So till then, bye bye.